Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Henning Saupe. He is the founder of Arcadia Clinic in Germany. And I love it when he comes to the classroom to share his wisdom about how the body doesn't need more toxicity. It needs more things that the body needs. So today I challenged everybody to be curious and have an open mind as to other ways to heal the body that have nothing to do with pouring toxic chemicals in it. Nobody is chemotherapy deficient, but there could be an anomaly in the body that requires certain nutrients or supplements. And of course, if your body receives chemotherapy, well, there is a lower dose insulin potentiation, low dose chemotherapy that you could do as well. So we talked about all of those things. We talked about hyperthermia, mistletoe therapy, and metabolic support. What does that look like? And this, by the way, is part 1 of a part 2 series. The next time we're going to be talking about the mitochondria and how the mitochondria, how to reverse that so that your body will return to wellness. So just know, mark your calendar the next time Dr. Saupe comes. And by the way, if you stayed all the way to the end, we offer the Dr. Saupe's book, Holistic Cancer Medicine. So you can text me at 407-373-5959, or you can email me at lily@whenyounneedafriend.com, because we are going to continue to learn and grow together in a holistic way, how to help somebody that has been given a cancer diagnosis or has already gone through the cancer process and now wants to build the terrain as opposed to just feed the tumor or kill the tumor. The body is bigger than that tumor, and we want to keep it that way. We want to bring everything down by giving everything that the body needs. Why am I so passionate about this? Not only am I a certified life coach, but I am a certified holistic cancer coach who understands since 2015, when I started dipping my toe in holistic treatments into cancer. Even started a foundation called the McDermott Holistic Healing Foundation, which I pray someday somebody will help us bring this to a new level of awareness where we could help people with these kind of treatments. That is my prayer. And I hope that you today will help grow this awareness by sharing the video with Dr. Henning Saupe. And by the way, if you stayed late and you've watched the class with Dr. Henning, just text me and put your name in the winner's basket. Let me know that you want Dr. Henning's book. And then a week from today, I am going to pull the names out of the winner's basket. I'm going to pick one name to win the book. And so go to whenyounneedafriend.com. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to the website. Go check out my facelift, my website facelift, and tell me what you think. And also, like I said, subscribe. Go to my other social media. You can just click on it and it'll take you there. Subscribe, like, and follow me on all the social media as well. And then check out my sponsors. Support them the way that they're supporting the classroom. Look at all the different things, even my Wave Watch. I love my Wave Watch. And if you go in there, you get $100 off if you do Lily 100. Yes, there's so many different ways. If you go to my Shop Now bag, that you can get Lily approved products from head to toe. And so I just want to encourage you that whatever it is, whatever you can do, whether it's $1 or $1,000 a month, a donation, or just sharing the classes, please do so, because it will help us grow and beat those ding-dang algorithms. And by the way, I am recording this just in case, and I'm going to publish this on Facebook, YouTube, and maybe even post it on Instagram if I can. I'll have to ask Mariel, who is my new girl, to see if we could post it, because some of the things we talked about may be canceled. And if they do that, then at least you have this video to let you know to go to BitChute, because I will put the link on the BitChute one down here in the description so that you can just click on it and it'll take you there. So I'm going to be posting 2 videos on YouTube, 2 videos on Facebook. Of course, I always do that. This is the thank you that I always do this on Facebook, but I'm going to put this on YouTube. So if you don't see the class called the class with treating cancer with hyperthermia, mistletoe, and metabolic support, then you know that they took it off. So I've got to beat the system. I don't know how, but this is a new way. Hopefully I'll get through. Anyway, please remember that God made our bodies to heal naturally if we give it what it needs. But what does it need? As I said, no one is chemotherapy deficient or radiation deficient, but we know that it has helped people survive and thrive. But there's lots of consequences attached to it. But if you are choosing to start a journey with health, I encourage you to look into the possibility that you start with less and build with more if you need to. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyounneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah! Oh, and remember, please get your book. Put in your name in the winner's basket, and I will pick it in a week from now. We'll see you then. Bye.